So this course is priced a little bit higher than a lot of other courses on the web, and I just wanted to take a moment and share my thoughts on what you're getting for that extra price, because I truly believe in that old adage that you get what you pay for, right? Like, you know, sometimes you pay too much and you don't get it, but in this case, it's absolutely true. You know, you're paying for a premium price and you're getting a premium product. So I devote a tremendous amount of time and resources to developing amazing online classes. They come with things that no other online classes in the world come with today, like this incredible course outline, which is hundreds of pages long. You get almost 400 videos in this course. You get all of the hands-on exercises with video solutions. And by charging more for these courses, it allows me to devote more of my work time to creating these courses. So that's what you get when you pay a slightly higher price, is you're getting a much better product. You pay a slightly higher price and you get a much better course. And so for me, that has value, because if I'm going to learn something, I want to learn it quick. I don't want to waste my time. I don't want to be confused. I want to choose a good teacher, a teacher I like, a teacher who could explain things well, a teacher with experience, a teacher who's passionate. Hello. All of those things. Like in Microsoft Certified Master Instructor, the stamp of approval from Microsoft itself has been bestowed upon me. So I share all this stuff not to brag, but just to give you the information, because I know you're trying to make a decision and you have hard-earned dollars that you need to spend, and this course is pricier than other classes. But getting the right teacher really makes a difference. And I know that you're going to be satisfied with the course, because tens of thousands, almost 2 million other students are satisfied. And you'll also, if the statistics hold, be satisfied, you know? And so that's why we charge a slightly higher price for this class, because it's a premium product and allows me to devote more work time to building a better thing. And having the right teacher makes all the difference. If you get the wrong teacher, it's going to discourage you, and it's going to be frustrating, confusing, and the right teacher can make things clear. So welcome to this class. I know you're going to enjoy it. There's 100% satisfaction money-back guarantee. If you can't afford the price of the class, watch the financial aid video down below, because I truly believe in the power of education to help people, and I want to help people, which is why this learning platform that we've built is called Greater Commons. It's for the greater common good. And so watch that financial aid video, and we'll get you discounted or free access to the course if you can't afford the price. So we're here to help. So that's a little bit of information about why we charge a little bit of a premium price for this class, but we know that the class merits it and warrants it and deserves it, and that you're going to be completely satisfied with the price you paid once you get in and start learning the material, because you'll be like, oh yeah, this is totally worth it. Totally having a good time, and I'm learning it quickly, and everything is clear, and I understand it, and the resources are great. So those are all really good reasons. So click that buy button, come on into course and join us, and I look forward to helping you forward and advance and learn Microsoft Excel as much as you need to learn it.